Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Pure Encapsulations Magnesium Glycinate tablets. So just a quick backstory as to why I personally chose to add this to my supplement regimen. So I've been taking melatonin for a really long time, and I'm talking like 5 years, and I realized that because I was doing that, my melatonin in my body had basically ceased to reproduce itself because I was supplementing what was already being built in my body. So I needed to find something else that could help me out with my sleep, turning off my brain. I have ADHD, so it's really hard for me to just come down and wind down at the end of the night. So my personal trainer got me on Pure Encapsulations. So as you can see, this is a magnesium glycinate. It's for sensitive individuals, supports cardiometabolic, neurocognitive, and musculoskeletal health. It is gluten-free, non-GMO, and hypoallergenic. There are 90 capsules in this particular one that I purchased. And literally on the ingredients, it is 120 milligrams of magnesium, which is 29% of your allotted daily value. And they do say a serving size is just 1 capsule. So if we open this up, first of all, there is a protective seal, which is really important to me to make sure that nothing was tampered with. And this is what a capsule looks like. So the magnesium is more than likely in a powder form inside of this particular capsule. And this is something that I'm just going to pop before bed every night to try to kind of like cool myself down, wind down my brain. It basically says you need to store in a cool, dry place. This recommendations as a dietary supplement, you could do 1 to 4 capsules per day, and you want to consume with food. So that's really good to know. Maybe I should do it a little bit before I'm ready to go to sleep. And it's also certified gluten-free by the Gluten-Free Certification Organization. So if you are struggling with the exact same things that I'm personally struggling with as it relates to sleep and kind of calming down your central nervous system, I'm excited to try this. I bought this for myself for a reason. It might be something for you to check out as well.